So what's up, fellow truckers? Here it is, Rand Mcnally, the newest 10-inch trunk navigation device, TND tablet 1050. I believe this just came out about a week ago. I haven't really bought a GPS in about 8 years, so I mean, this is probably my first big purchase of a GPS, and to be honest, I really didn't even need it. I usually drive to the same spot every week, got the same route, stop at the same places, but I just like technology, so gotta have it, you know how it is. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna open it up, and I was looking for a couple of reviews on YouTube to see if it's worth buying, or if it's the same as a 750 and the 85 and all the other Rand McNallys, and just trying to see if there's anything different from this one than any other Rand McNally. I wasn't sure if it was just GPS or if it was an actual tablet, but it says it right there. It says it's a tablet, so I'm guessing they kind of integrated both. The regular navigation they usually have on their old devices and a tablet at the same time, I'm guessing. I'm really not sure. But I do like, the picture shows it's pretty rugged. It's got a kind of a OtterBox type of cover case, I guess you can say. It's supposed to be able to take some falls and spills and stuff, so it says it's got some kind of Gorilla Glass screen, 3 mounts included, and removable protective guard. So I guess you can take off that rubber guard that goes around the GPS. So it looks pretty nice. Getting ready to open it and see what else is inside this box. It is a 10-inch screen. Says it's got a camera, high definition, so I'm guessing it's a 1080 camera. Truck tools, I guess it's for the point of interest stops and fuel prices and traffic. Says weather. I believe it has the lifetime map updates, but I think any Rand Mcnally GPS you get is going to have the lifetime updates. Local search, ELD ready. I guess it's based off the Atlas and Bluetooth compatible. So yeah, let's check it out and see what the big hype is about. But yeah, again, I was looking for something on YouTube to see if there was a review on this, but I guess since it's so new, nobody's reviewed it yet, so I guess I'll be the first. I did try purchasing it last week because I did see it on the shelf, but they weren't offering the 3-year extended warranty, and as you guys know, Rand McNallys are known for breaking down pretty quick, so I said I wasn't going to buy it until I got the extended warranty on this, because who knows, these things, batteries are not very great. I mean, I've read other reviews on YouTube about other Rand McNallys, and they haven't been that great. But yeah, this is the product replacement plan. If you do get it, I got the 3-year extended because yeah, it usually takes about 3 years for these, about a year for these to break down. So I mean, I just want to make sure that if it does break down, I'll get my money back or get it replaced somehow, 2 or 3 years from now. As you can see, the total came out to $812. Luckily, I had a rewards of $457, so my out of pocket came out to $355.27. So yeah, not a bad discount. But if you guys don't have any points, expect to pay about $812. But that's with the extended warranty. I believe it was a little bit more. I don't know why it says 812. I'm not too sure. Thought it said 857 when I saw it up on the cash register. But yeah, As you can see up here, it says $6.99 for the actual tablet, and then I got the 3-year warranty. So I mean, I'd advise you guys, if you do buy it, I would get the extended warranty, because the Rand Mcnally GPSs are known to break down pretty quickly. But yeah, we'll go ahead and cut this little segment of the video, and I'll be back with it installed, and I'll go through the features and the basic stuff on it, and so you guys can check it out before you purchase it and see if it's worth it for you. Alright guys.